Hi, this is Poonam Sharma and welcome to Sadbhavna News. From Bhopal to Surat, from Pune to Hyderabad, COVID lockdowns, night curfews and other restrictions have returned in cities across India due to what every health expert was dreading, the second wave of coronavirus pandemic. The center says that the second wave of COVID-19 infection is being particularly seen in Maharashtra. However, Maharashtra's State Surveillance Office Dr. Pradeep Awate told the media report on March 16 that it is in fact true that the entire nation is experiencing the second wave. While local authorities in various states are enforcing stringent measures, all eyes will be on the key meet to be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. During the virtual discussion with all chief ministers, PM is supposed to take stock of the situation in terms of new infections and the status of the vaccination drive. Maharashtra has reported over 15,000 cases on a daily basis in March. State capital Mumbai is already in the danger zone with over 1,000 new infections being recorded on daily basis. Pune has also seen the surge. Nagpur became the first city to impose a total lockdown in 2021. The losses of 2020, the ground reality is that lack of mask discipline and zero social distancing have put people in the dangerous zone of high infection groups. Apart from the local factors, the new cases of blood clotting due to AstraZeneca vaccine may also be discussed in the meeting between the PM and chief ministers. As the world lies the second year of the coronavirus pandemic, we bring you the latest, confirmed and verified developments on the corona lockdowns, curfews and other related news. Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.